Hey, welcome back. So in this data sufficiency question about a parallelogram, the concept that we need to understand is that a parallelogram will only have two different angles. You see, the angles that are on opposite corners will be equal, and the angles that lie on the same side of a parallelogram will complete each other to 180 degrees. Now, statement 2 tells us that the sum of these two identical angles is 120, so of course each of them is 60. This is sufficient. Statement 1 gives us the ratio of two angles whose sum is 180. Can we infer each of the values? Of course. This one is also sufficient, and therefore the correct answer is D. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.